My fraternal greetings. My name is Luis Alfredo Ramírez Ortiz, and I have studied environmental engineering since 2016 in UNAD at the SEAD of the city of Sogamoso. I have been married for 10 years. We have two children, one of 11 and another of 7 years old. The last vacation we have traveled to Villa de Leyva to visit the Dinosaurs Park. We had a good time, very funny because my wife didn't know that in this town of Boyacá they have found a fossil of Kronosaurus. It is one of the largest marine dinosaurs. I say her, but she hasn't been surprised, and I don't believe me until Dan arrived there. For we, it was something very surprising because it is something that I wanted to know and show to my children, show something about the history of the beginnings that inhabited of territory in the past since 2 years we can travel there again. Thank you.